Kaş yaparken göz çıkarmak. Like how? Like what does it mean? What does it mean? Help me understand. Seda, help me understand. Hey guys, I'm Seda. Welcome to Turkish Tales of Wonder. I know, right? You're having hard time understanding Turkish idioms.
That's so upsetting.
I know. I have a book. This is Deyimler ve Hikayeleri. I really like this one because it explains the idioms and where these idioms are coming from. So if you like to get this book, you can find it online probably. And today we'll talk about 5 idioms, and I'll just open one like this and read it to you and explain it to you, okay? I hope this will be a fun video for you. Okay, first, I found it here. Kaş yapayım derken göz çıkarmak. What is that? You are trying to make an eyebrow, and while doing that, you are poking an eye. How come? Okay, that means that while trying to do a little good, you are doing more harm, okay? Stop doing that because you are kaş yapayım derken göz çıkarıyorsun. That's not good, okay? Stop doing that. This is a simple one. Püf noktası. It's a fun way to say it. Püf, püf, püf noktası. The most important part of a job or a thing, okay? Püf noktası. Püf, püf, püf. Okay, let's try another one. Which page? I'm opening it. Ta-dam! It's funny! Eşek, Sudan, gelinceye kadar dövmek. Eşek, sudan, gelinceye kadar dövmek. What does it even mean? Right? Eşek, sudan, gelinceye kadar dövmek. The literal meaning is like beating the crap out of someone till the donkey comes from the water. Okay? So this means that this is more literal. So in Turkish it's birini iyice pataklamak. It means that you beat the hell out of someone. So it takes so long, you beat the crap out of that person so long, the donkey goes to the river, drink the water, and come back, and you are still beating that person up, okay? Eşek, sudan, gelinceye kadar dövmek. That was funny. Okay, let's see. This is like a lottery. I'm opening it up. Eski Tas Eski Hamam. Eski Tas Eski Hamam. Hamam, the bath, Turkish bath. Okay? Tas is that cup that you put water and you pour it on like this. You are in a Turkish bath. Imagine yourself. You are in a Turkish bath and you are, taking a bath. You are using that cup, okay? And this is the old cup and this is the old Turkish bath. Everything is the same. Nothing is changing. It means boş ver. Never mind. Eski tas, eski hamam. Like everything is the same. Nothing changed. Eski tas, eski hamam. Let's see the next one. This is also funny. Keçileri kaçırmak. Like keçileri kaçırmak. Can you imagine keçileri kaçırmak? Like you have goats and the goats got away. Like you lost your goats. What does it mean? What does it mean? You lost your goats. It's like going crazy, going nuts. Okay? You lost your goats. Keçileri kaçırmak. Lost his mind. Lost her mind. Okay? I said 5, then I forgot how many I did. Okay. This will be the last one. Last one. I will open it. Close my eyes. Saman altından su yürütmek. Saman altından, like there's the hay and you are, sending water somehow under the hay. So you can guess maybe you are doing something like secretive, like something like that. Like he does things but nobody knows about, like nobody knows what he's doing. He's doing it in a secret, okay? Okay, I think that's it. Was it fun? When I learned the idiom, like this is how we say it and this is what that means, I'm always amazed, like wow, it's so creative. It always makes me smile. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Görüşürüz. Keçileri kaçırmayın. Keçileri kaçırmayın. Come back later. Bye. We come together all around the world to learn Turkish. Thanks guys for watching me. I will see you next time. Görüşürüz.